Them all finna start acting out if I don't see him soon. Yeah, my best friend ain't backing out, it's still on site. Fool, I'm the only one out here on the night loose. I'm the only one out here on the night loose.
Oh my god.
Trophy case still light, body need a race stripe. And these minerals on my body break light. And these reds on my body break light. New man coming up ahead on his own too.
Hey.
You and that blonde,
Get on camera.
sleeping on my belly, like a serpent. Talking his rippling. Eyes low, chin, every shoegazer.
This new? This mirror? Huh?
What's one thing you could change about this world if you could? About anything, about yourself or this world?
I wouldn't change a thing.
Forward!
7-month-old Fatima is weak and severely malnourished, pretty poor, but the war has made things worse. With frequent airstrikes, it's too dangerous for them to leave this area. They rely upon people like Ashwag and the little aid she can deliver. Today she's here to visit another child who's suffering from severe acute malnutrition. Abdurrahman is 18 months old, but weighs as much as a 6-month-old baby. Born 1 month after the start of the war, he has been malnourished all his life.
You wouldn't change a single thing.
I don't think so.
Why not?
Everything's meant to be. Like, each person has their own set destiny. Like, think about it. Like, this fucking Earth, like, everything happened for a reason. Like, the Big Bang, like, no way this shit all happened. Like, if you really study that shit, like, everything's put into motion. Like, something happened, like, before the Big Bang, it set everything into motion. Like, I don't know much about it, but that's just, like, the general knowledge. Like, everything was set into motion, and everything was meant to happen. So, people that are fucked up in this world and, like, that kill people and, like, do some crazy shit, that's just, like, how it's meant to be. Even though it's, like, fucked up, but you can't really change a thing in this world, I guess.
So, do you believe in fate?
Faith?
Fate.
Fate? Yeah.
Do you believe in, like, do you think it's...
Alright, listen to this. Like, if you were to die, like, fucking tomorrow, like, what would you think of that?
That would suck.
I know, but just think about it. If you were to die tomorrow, that's just, like, the world's way of saying that that shit was meant to happen, because, I don't know. Not everything is destiny, but you follow a set path, but you can still change things, right?
Yeah. You could always change your future. Not your past. Damn, Hey, Varden, put your foot right here.
Where?
Right here.
You know me.
A little bit more. Alright, now show them the shoe.
I didn't show you that. I don't know why I thought
That's pretty cool.